Hello everyone, this is a brief demonstration of the dynamic bandwidth controller application, and I hope you will spare a few minutes of your valuable time to view this application and send your feedback. First, I'll run this application and then we get the login window. Now I'm entering the system as the test user. Now after successfully logging into the system, it displays the main menu of the application. You can go here and view whether the server is running or not. Now it says the dynamic bandwidth controller server is down. Now I'll start the server, and now it says the server is up and running on this machine on port 5000. The next step is to configure priorities for some known URLs we'll be using for testing. Now with this interface we can configure or weave priorities for some known URLs. Now I'll enter oracle.com and check its availability. Now the application finds that this URL is not there in the priority list, and it asks the user to configure a priority for this URL. So if we are willing, we can use this slider object to configure a priority level for that. Now here 10 is the highest priority a URL can get, and towards 0 you have lower priorities. Once you click on save priority, it says the URL was added successfully. Then we'll get another one, yahoo.com, and check its availability. Now the system finds that this URL entered is already in its priority list, so it asks the user to use this slide object to adjust its priority. If you don't want to use adjust its priority, you can simply cancel it. Now I'll adjust its priority to 2 and save it. The next step is to see whether this works fine. Now this application is exposed to the users as a proxy server. So I'll open my browser and go to Tools, Internet Options, and go to the Connections tab and select Settings to tell the browser to use this application to access internet. Now it says the address is localhost, and the proxy server is running on the port 5000. Now when I click on OK, the browser saves its settings, and now we can go to these websites in order to make sure that this application works fine. I entered mysql.com and then yahoo.com and google.lk. Now just because it appears on the screen fast, you can't say it is fast. You need to check the actual bandwidth. So for that we have the generate reports utility. So by using this interface we can check the bandwidth usage for these URLs. Now here I am trying to generate the bandwidth usage report for today. Now when I entered these two dates and click on generate, the application generates the usage report which shows the bandwidth breakdown to these 4 URLs. Now it has been ordered in the descending priority order, and when you examine these downlinks, it is clear that the high priority URLs have high downlinks and low priority ones have low downlinks. So I think this proves that the application works fine. Thanks for watching the demo. Make sure that you send your valuable suggestions. Thanks.